There are a lot of categories that you can search on Google Maps. For example, disposable tableware supplier. When you make search on Google Maps as disposable tableware supplier near New York, many results will be listed. Places in the disposable tableware supplier category will appear in the results. But Google Maps will also show results from different categories such as restaurant supply store. Google Maps offers alternatives for a better user experience. But this situation causes irrelevant places to be listed in the result file. Let's test it. We will scrape disposable tableware suppliers in New York without any filter. Disposable tableware suppliers listed on the result file. You can see the disposable tableware supplier keywords in type and subtype column. But also restaurant supply store listed in the result file like on the Google Maps. The subtypes of these businesses didn't contain disposable tableware supplier category. There are a lot of companies listed on the result file, but some of them are not related to the disposable tableware supplier category. So we should use the subtype filter to eliminate irrelevant results. Let's do it. All parameters are the same as the first task. We will just add subtype filter. Exact match option lets you quickly add a subtype filter. The result file is ready. There are only companies belonging to the disposable tableware supplier subtype listed. Even if disposable tableware supplier is not written in the type column in some rows, you will definitely see it in the subtype column. That's it, we have a better result file now. When we use a subtype filter, we only scrape businesses that belong to the category we are looking for. Now we will combine two different filters, website filter and subtype filter. The subtype filter will be available again with the exact match option, and we will add website filter with add filter button. And the result is successful. Only two companies without websites were listed. You can scrape only the companies you want by combining multiple filters in Outscraper. And please read our blog post on filters for more details.